dual staged forged. What does that mean? We're about to break down this American Off-Road A106 wheel. Let's check it out. So I've been in the garage a lot of years. I've seen a lot of wheels, a lot of different technologies come and go through the truck and the car market. And so we get excited when we see a new technology get brought to market. And that's exactly what American Off-Road Wheel did with the A106 and all the other offerings that they have in their lineup. Now, what makes this wheel special and what makes it exciting to talk about is the fact that it utilizes a dual forge process, or something that it might also be known to you as flow form technology. And really what that does is it just creates a stronger and lighter product for the truck market, which is something that I think the truck market has been lacking for a lot of years because, you know, to be honest, truck wheels are heavy. There's no way around it. You want a big heavy wheel, and how else do you get a lighter wheel without compromising the structure? And that is where flow form technology, dual forge technology comes into play with the A106 from American Off-Road Wheels. Now they offer this wheel in 3 sizes. They offer it a -24 offset 20x10, and you can expect to see about a 4-inch lip with that wheel. You'll see it in a 20x12 with a 6-inch lip, -44 offset, and you'll also see it in a 20x14 -76, and you can expect the lip on that wheel to be about 8 inches wide. So that's a pretty big offering for American Off-Road Wheels, and again, you get that lighter product. Now it's going to come in 5-lug, 6-lug, and 8-lug applications, as well as a great price point. Now you can expect to get a set of these wheels in a range of the finishes they offer between $1,000 and $1,300. Now the finishes they offer with this wheel is an all black, a black and milled, and then now with all these other companies coming to market with the different color finishes, they offer a blue tint, a red tint, as well as a red machined and a blue machined. Now all those options are available on extremekustoms.com as well as American Off-Road Wheels, so make sure you stop on over, check them out, and let us know if that's going to be the next set of wheels going on your truck.